IEEE. This is an overview of the box assembly and how you want to pay careful attention to some details. So here's the receiver box. Okay, you can see there's obviously the PC board in there, okay, with the 555 and all of the circuit. This is the battery, okay. The battery is going to be always in an on position because you are going to control the on off with this external switch right here. Let me grab a better pointer, sorry. Now, I just want to point out here that, see how I've put shrink wrap around every single component of metal that could be exposed? That's very important, because if you don't put shrink wrap or electrical tape around these pieces of exposed metal, very easily can create short circuits. Please make sure you do that. Also, I want you to notice on the exterior of the box is your photocell. Now, there are two little tiny pin openings on the back in the box there to take that photocell, and you'll notice that I very carefully have made it so the legs of the photocell behind that won't short. Okay, you can glue this in with a teeny bit of hot glue to make sure you don't get any glue on the actual covering of the photocell, or you can do what I did, which is just twist the wires to get a really good tight connection. Okay, so that's the receiver box. Now, the transmitter box is basically just a battery pack that stays in the always on position, and the on off is controlled by that switch, and then the laser diode. I just want to point out here, so again, I've been really careful to shrink wrap or electrical tape the all things that could possibly touch. Okay, and then you see this intermediary plastic piece. This is a holder for the laser diode. Aiming with mission security is really important, and we want to make sure that this little laser is really stable when we aim it. So this interior piece is for holding up the back end of the laser diode. Okay, and then finally, to work with these little screws here, basically you want to use the nut as the thing that the screw kind of bites into, and then just thread down from above with the screw like that. Okay. Let me just add here that the reason why this box has been made sort of oversized is because if you want to put the voice module in here, you might need the extra space. You can see I've got the little buzzer there, but for you, if you want the voice module, you'll need that extra space.